No, 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 no. Nah, no, oh my god, that's even worse of a shot to stop on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey guys, Sasha here, welcome back to my channel, welcome if you're new here, and welcome to a brand new show that I will be reacting to because today I will check out the performances for Mnet's upcoming show, Queendom Puzzle. A very interesting show. I have to admit, when I first heard about this show and the concept, I was not feeling it because I wasn't sure how they will do it, if this will affect groups like long term, but the way they're doing it, I'm totally down for it. I've also to say probably 80% of why I'm watching this is because of Taeyeon. I'm sorry, but I'm a huge Zoan, so when I heard she's emceeing this again, and I heard like her parts will be bigger than Queendom Season 2, I was like super happy about that. I love to see her interact with her like junior idol, with her juniors. So I'm very excited for this. And in this video, I will check out the performances for Snap. So I found out there are like 2 songs. There's Snap, and then there's Charismatic, and then there are like 2 groups each who performed the same song. So I thought it makes sense to kind of watch the performances for the same song and compare them. I'm not familiar with most of these contestants, like with most of these groups from where these idols are coming from. I think I know like maybe 5 or 6 people in the show. And looking at the first thumbnail from the Snap performance, we already have 3 here. We have Yerum from Would You Sonya, then we have Yeon from CLC, and then we have Bora from Cherry Bullet. Those are probably the 3 contestants that I know best in this entire show. And they're all in the same subunit, which makes me excited. But yeah, like I won't recognize most people is what I'm trying to say. Like I will be like, oh, who's this? Who's this? Because I claim to be a girl group stan. Like I am a girl group stan, but I still don't know a lot of groups. Like most of these groups that are part of this show, like the members they're coming from, I just don't know. Like I know Weekly, I know Purple Kiss, I know Cherry Bullet, Would You Sonya. But then with some others I'm just super unfamiliar with, just to let you guys know. But yeah, that's enough for the intro, I think. I'm very excited to check out Snap. I've heard good things about this song, about this show, and yeah, I will probably react to the show on Patreon. I haven't really made up my mind yet. I guess I will watch the first episode, put it up there for free for you guys to check out. And then we will see if I will continue this show or not. But yeah, I think we will just start with the first performance of Snap. This is, I think the subunit is called Pick Cat. And yeah, like I said, the members that I recognize are Yerum, Bora, and Yeon. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I already love this set. Ooh. Ooh, the wing from Yeon. Snap. Fire already. Ooh. Who's the girl with the short hair? 재미있는 상상에 내겐 현실적인 누구에겐 터무니없는 전부 꿈이라면 어때 맘먹은 대로 okay 때론 조금 뜨거워 비밀로 해. She from Purple Kiss? Like I'm not super familiar with Purple Kiss, but I might have recognized her by like her voice. Holy damn! Oh, Yum! Oh my god!
Everything is handled by my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10까지 다 세계도 좋네. 넌 달라진 세상에 익숙해져 있어.
Nah. Oh my god, that's even worse of a shot to stop on. Oh my god. Bora, like, her voice is already so attractive, and then when she does things like that, it's almost impossible for me to handle. Oh my god. Like that voice. Ay. That's exactly what I feel. Woo. Oh, they're all snapping.
Let me see you play it back.
Oh, who are you? Wow, they are powerful. Oh my god, Yoon. I like her. Let's go, Yoon. Woo. What is this song? This is a whole attack. It kind of reminds me of, if anyone's watched Girls Planet, it kind of reminds me of Snake. Just the whole, like, it feels so strong and badass and sexy. It's kind of insane. And I felt the same about Snake. Like, you can, oof. Why is she barking?
That you were dreaming about it. Let me see the pop. Real but the pop. 다른 밤의 별로 떠오르게. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10까지.
Oh, that's pre-chorus, man.
넌 달라진 세상에 익숙해져 있어. Snap. From the front to the back seat. 다른 하늘 위로.
Wow.
Snap.
I love her tone.
From the ground to the top, let me see you play it back.
Oh, play it back. Oh, what the heck?
Feel it up. Bottom up, falling up.
Whoa.
Shake it.
Whoa. Yo,
From the
Emma.
front to the back.
Production is there. I see you. Damn. They spend a ton of money on this. Oh, yeah, stop it. Oh, there's the Le Seraphim Fearless. I love how everyone's doing that these days. It's so cool.
From the front to the back seat. 다른 하늘 위로. Snap. From the ground to the top. Let me see you play it back.
Yerin is feeling herself. Oh, that guitar. Oh, I love that ending. Oh my god. Yum as the center. Wow. Yo, okay. We get it, Mnet. You have the money. We get it. Oh my goodness. What I love about this show already is they feel like a group. Like, not for a second I thought, okay, they don't they're doing this for the first time, or like they're new, like they belong in another group. I did not have that feeling. That might be because I only knew like 3 members. But no, honestly, like, and the other thing I like about the show is you get to see other sides from these girls. Like I only knew Yevon, Yin, and Boa, but from what they're doing, especially Boa and Yeon, in their respective groups, is very different than what they did here, and I love that they get to show new sides of them. That was so cool. I felt like everyone was so charismatic. I think everyone winked into the camera at least once and almost killed me. But no, seriously, like they were all really really good. I love the I really really like the girl who started the song, like not Bola. Wait. Yeah, the one who's standing in the center right now. I really liked her, and then I also really really liked her. Like her tone was crazy when she was rapping. But all in all, it was just a fantastic performance. I don't really want to point out certain members too much because I think everyone did really really well. So yeah, that was the performance of Snap by Pick Cat. We move on. The other unit is called Athena, and I honestly don't know if I know anyone in here. Like the other members that I know from the show are like Chanmi from AOA, Ki from Lovelies, and then that might be it. I don't know if they're in this one or not, but I guess we'll find out. Oh wait, was that Cheon? Like I knew Cheon, like she was in the first round or something, and then she dropped out of the show. I was actually kind of disappointed about that. Ah, they don't show that. Okay. Wait, do we have subs for this? No. Do I know? I think, isn't this... I know her name is not Chanmi, like she's called Doa now. I think she changed her stage name. Isn't that her? I could be wrong though. I think the girl in the blue hair is like from Thailand. I heard about that.
이곳은 자유로워 이름도 두고 오렴 새로운 말을 입어 That you were dreaming about it 어디를 보고 있어 내게 더 집중해봐 Everything I had to buy my fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 10까지
Oh wait, that's Key, right? From Lovelies? I recognize her voice. Woo!
Snap, snap,
So we...
snap. From the front to the back seat 다른 하늘 위로 Snap, snap, snap.
Ooh.
From the ground to the top Let me see you play it back
Oh.
Feeling the, feeling the, feeling the
Oh.
Bottom up Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up Through the night Shake it, shake it, shake it 잘 들어 From the front to the back 너를 내게 맞췄어 Let me sing the pop, pop, pop We about to pop, pop, pop 하늘만은 blah, blah, blah 너무 흥미로운 생각해보면 참 재미있어 브라질 그곳은 사방에 적은
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Chanmi with the red hair.
새로운 너를 입어 That you would dream about it Let me sing the pop, pop, pop We about to
Oh my god. Key's voice though, she's such a unique voice.
From the front to the back, see 다른 하늘 위로. From the ground to the top, let me see you play it back. Fit it up, fit it up, fit it up. Fit it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Hold it up, shake it, shake it, shake it. Ooh. From the front to the back, 아름다운 날이 있어.
Wow.
아무 이유도 없이.
Wow.
그런 날이 되어보려 해. 있는 그대로의 난 아름다운 내가 있어. 그냥 존재만
Vocals. Woo.
이런 나를 믿고 다시 빛을 내는 time 아야야야. From the front to the back seat 다른 하늘 위로. From the ground to the top, let me see you play it back.
I love the ending of this song. That electric guitar is hot. Oh my god. Oh, and it's coming down as rain. That is insane. That is insane. Do we actually see the names of the members? Oh yeah, right here. So I was right, it was Ki and it was Doa, aka Chalmi. I don't recognize anyone else's name. I know this girl, Faye, I don't know how to pronounce her name. I think she's Thai. But damn, they did also incredibly well. It might be because the initial shock value of the song got lost on me because I had already seen the other group before. But I kind of felt like there was a bit less energy coming from this group than from the previous group. I don't know, I just think the other group pulled it off just slightly better, with a little more edge and a little more attitude. But that could just be my biased opinion, and also because I watched the other one first and was like so blown away by the song and all. I also liked it better how they were always staying in the night setting in the dark. I think it suited the song way better than the daylight setting that they had for the second group right here. Athena is their unit name. No, but I did like their performance. I did like it a lot. I think they have very interesting voices, vocal tones in there. That's something that really stood out to me. But I do think I preferred, what was the other group? I think Pick Cat. Yeah, I think I like Pick Cat's performance better. Also, like I said, I love Kay's voice, but I think Boa's voice, or like the way she was singing that pre-chorus, and especially, just suited the song a little more compared to how she did it here. But yeah, overall, man, this song is fantastic, I think. It's kind of a waste that, I mean, it's cool that they do this for the show, that they have such good songs, but like this could have easily been a title track for a really for like any group in K-pop this year, and it would have been a hit, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that was fantastic. I can't wait to check out the other song with the other two units. That will be next in the next video. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts, your opinions. Are you watching Queendom Puzzle? Like, which members do you know? Who are you cheering for? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed my reaction, make sure you like it, subscribe if you want to, and as always, thank you very much for watching. See you all next time, and auf Wiedersehen.